Welcome to the Australian Temporary Structures Configurator. This is a tool designed to help create your very own industrial structure. Whether you're looking for a large warehouse for storage or manufacturing, or a smaller weatherproof shelter for storing vehicles, equipment, and goods, we have you covered. By using the configurator, you can create your own custom-style structure. Here's how it works. Getting into the configurator is easy. Firstly, you will specify the location where your structure will be built. Second, you will specify the dimensions. This is done by putting in the length, width, and height of your desired structure. But that's not all. You can also choose from a variety of features to add to your structure, such as the type of walls and type of roof you like, plus choose from accessories like rain gutters. Third, you can add windows, doors, and roller doors. You can also choose the colors you like. When you're satisfied with your design, simply fill out the form and press the Submit button to place your request for a quote. The configurator is a powerful, user-friendly tool that's free to try. So, what are you waiting for? Start using the Australian Temporary Structures Configurator today and design your very own custom structure. We're looking forward to helping you bring your project to life.